Learning hacking in 2025 requires a structured, ethical approach that combines foundational IT knowledge with cutting-edge cybersecurity skills, leveraging both traditional learning methods and emerging AI-powered tools. The journey begins with mastering computer networking fundamentals, understanding TCP/IP protocols, DNS, HTTP, HTTPS, and VPNs at a packet level using tools like Wireshark, before progressing to operating system internals across Windows, Linux, and macOS, focusing on privilege models, file systems, and process management. Modern hacking education emphasizes cloud environments, requiring knowledge of AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud architectures, including container security, like Docker and Kubernetes, and serverless computing vulnerabilities. Programming forms the backbone of hacking skills, with Python remaining essential for scripting custom tools. Learn libraries like Scapy, Requests, and Socket, while JavaScript knowledge becomes crucial for web application testing and understanding Node.js vulnerabilities. The cybersecurity community has shifted toward interactive learning platforms like Hack the Box and TryHackMe, which now incorporate AI-assisted coaching that adapts challenges based on skill level, offering virtual labs with realistic scenarios ranging from basic privilege escalation to advanced Active Directory exploitation. Certifications evolve to reflect 2025's threat landscape. The updated CEH version 12 covers AI-powered attacks and quantum computing risks, while OSCP now includes cloud penetration testing modules and IoT device hacking. New micro-certifications emerge for specialized areas like AI security, red teaming, and blockchain penetration testing. Free resources expand dramatically, with platforms like MITRE ATT and CK offering interactive adversary emulation guides, and Cloud Security Alliance providing hands-on cloud hacking labs. The learning methodology emphasizes the break to defend philosophy, using vulnerable by design applications like DVWA, which stands for Damn Vulnerable Web App, and Metasploitable to practice attacks in safe environments before learning defensive countermeasures. Modern hacking education incorporates AI tools ethically, using ChatGPT's secure coding assistant to identify vulnerabilities in practice code, employing GitHub Copilot to analyze malware samples with proper sandboxing, and leveraging AI-powered platforms like Bugcrowd's new AI Mentor that suggests attack vectors based on target reconnaissance. Hardware hacking gains prominence with IoT domination, learn Arduino and Raspberry Pi exploitation, RFID cloning, and automotive network hacking through CAN bus tools. The 2025 Hacking Toolkit includes next-gen versions of Burp Suite, with AI-assisted vulnerability detection, enhanced Bloodhound for cloud-based Active Directory mapping, and quantum-resistant cryptography analyzers. Legal and ethical considerations grow more complex. Learners must understand international cyber laws, responsible disclosure frameworks like ISO IEC 29147, and the ethical implications of AI-assisted hacking. The learning path now requires documenting all activities in digital notebooks with blockchain timestamps for accountability. Career pathways diversify, specialize in AI system penetration testing, space network security, with new satellite hacking certifications, or medical device security as technology permeates every sector. The key differentiator in 2025 becomes creative problem-solving. While AI handles pattern recognition, human hackers excel at novel exploit chaining and social engineering innovations that machines can't replicate. Learning resources increasingly gamify education. Blockchain-based CTF platforms reward findings with NFT achievements, while VR environments simulate physical penetration testing scenarios. The community aspect remains vital through Discord communities like Hack the Planet 2025 and hybrid hacker conferences blending metaverse and physical events. Success requires building a hacker mindset, relentless curiosity, systematic troubleshooting, and the ability to see systems as interconnected components rather than black boxes. With cyber threats growing more sophisticated, 2025's ethical hackers will need this comprehensive, adaptive skill set to protect increasingly complex digital ecosystems while pushing the boundaries of responsible security research.